Hello guys, my name is Prav Yadav. So in this video, I can show you how you can change your Quora profile username. So you can see this is my profile, Quora profile, Jobma, and you can see if you can see there is Jobma slash sorry dash one. So how you can change or customize your profile URL. So there is no any specific area Quora will provide so that you can change your profile URL. So how you can change in any another way? So simply you can hover on your username, your profile name, and you can see there is a edit button. You can click on this, and there you can change or something you can add in your username, your profile name. So suppose like is our industry nature is we are providing the interview services. So let's add Jobma interview, and then you can click on the done button. And if we can click on again, and you can see your profile URL is changed. So there is no such any another way so you can change your profile username. You need to update your profile name, then automatically your Quora profile URL will automatically update. Okay, so this is the only things how you can customize your Quora profile URL. So if you guys are watching till end, so thanks for watching, and you guys will hit the subscribe and the like button because these things will help me a lot. Okay, so bye bye, take care.